Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how to make this colorful paper flower that's perfect for brightening up any space. Whether it's your room, a party, or even as a gift decoration. Let's start with a closer look at this flower. As you can see, it's made up of layers of vibrant petals in shades of pink, green, orange, and red. By layering these different colors, we create a fun, eye-catching effect that really stands out. The flower also has a textured black center that adds a touch of contrast and makes it look even more realistic. Making this flower is super easy and a great DIY for all ages. All you need are a few simple supplies: colorful paper, scissors, and glue. First, I cut out petal shapes in different colors, then folded them slightly to give each petal some dimension. This folding technique is simple but really brings the flower to life, making the petals look almost three-dimensional. I started with the larger petals at the bottom, layering them in a circle, and worked my way up with smaller petals. The black center is made by cutting a strip of paper, then fringing one edge and rolling it up tightly.